What's up, y'all? It's D here. You already know, about to unbox the new Xbox One S, and I'm gonna grab a chair real fast. So I'm back. Let's get started with this mug. So this is an Xbox One S, by the way. Okay, let's get this mug going, baby. Okay, what's this? Let's go ahead and see what this is. Oh, that's just the game system. We'll leave that for later. Oh, this is a real improvement because the other Xbox had that big old box thing that nobody really liked. And now it has this little, looks like a USB, the outlet to go to the game system, and a controller. Now, let's see the difference between this controller and the Xbox One controller. Come with the 2 batteries because it hasn't updated to a charger yet like the PS4 has. There you have it. I like the back because you can't probably see it, but it has like little, you can kind of see it, like little grippers. The Xbox One doesn't really have, but feels more comfortable. I'm an Xbox fan, so it makes it more easier to play the games. What else we got? What is this? Now, let's get to the fun part. What the fuck is this? Oh, premium package. Getting Xbox Live real soon. Talk about this in my next video. Xbox Live. Now let's get to the game system. Voila, baby. Feast your fucking eyes on this. Check it out. Love it. Has the holes at the top. So make sure you don't sit anything on top of this because that would be very stupid. So this is like a fan, so the game can be cool the whole time as it's on. Shit. It's much smaller than the Xbox One. Like the original Xbox that they had, it's much tinier than that. It's kind of cute. Bottom is nice and black. And yeah, I like it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.